Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about the weirdest American traditions. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Does Groundhog Day take place in New York City? No, it takes place in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. Is Groundhog Day used to predict earthquakes? No, it's used to predict the weather. Do Americans bowl with frozen turkeys during Thanksgiving in some places? Yes, it's called turkey bowling. Are outhouse races a traditional sport in Alaska? Yes, people build and race outhouses for fun. Is cow chip throwing a fake online trend? No, it's a real event held in places like Wisconsin and Kansas. Do drive-through weddings happen in Las Vegas? Yes, they're a popular and fast way to get married. Are pillow fights held secretly in homes? No, some cities organize public pillow fight events. Do people compete in cheesesteak eating contests in the US? Yes, food eating contests are very popular. Is a groundhog's name Larry? No, his name is Punxsutawney Phil. Do all Americans take part in these weird traditions? No, many are local or regional, but they're part of the country's fun side. Watch this video again to review all these fun facts. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new adventure with Docents DigitalesTV. Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.